How to download Minecraft for free. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily download your Minecraft for free. So first thing first, simply head over to any of your browser and simply search in for the Minecraft free download. And once you click on it, you will be seeing this screen which says download Minecraft and server software. Simply click on it. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to this page where you can read it's already owned by the Minecraft Java and Bedrock Edition. So what you can do is simply click on the download launcher for Windows 10 or 11. So once it gets downloaded, simply click on open file and run the file just like this. Wait for some time for your file to load, and you will be seeing this in screen over here. And just make sure you read this perfectly. Just be sure you are logged into the Windows Store by clicking the link below, and here is a link to your Microsoft Windows. Simply click on I have read this and simply hit on install, and after some time your Minecraft should be installed perfectly and you should be able to play your Minecraft. So that is it guys, that is for it for today's video. If it was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.